Welcome back. Now, in this chapter, in this lecture, we are going to uh, discuss the various sensors which are based on new technology, comparatively newer technology, and that is the MEMS. Here, this is the entire uh, view of the MEMS devices can be used to make micro sensors, micro actuators, microstructures, and microelectronics. Out of that, we focus on, first of all, we will study the MEMS accelerometer, and MEMS gyroscope. Now, these two devices are extensively used. Um, so, you are using it. It is in your mobile phone. So all the mobile phone, they have accelerometer and gyroscope, which is based on the MEMS technology, and they are the sensors whose output can be used for various purposes like motion detection, then gaming purpose. So this is the sensor which is used for those applications. Then MEMS microphone. So in the MEMS category, in the family of the MEMS, the microphones, they are very tiny devices, and then they can be used on the sensor node to capture the sound vibrations, or the pressure sensors. They can be also prepared design using the photoresistive sensors, and they can measure the pressure. Then for capturing the video, we have two options. First option, which is a bit older one, it is referred to as the charge coupled devices. And the second option, which is extensively used nowadays in everywhere, that is the CMOS sensors. So we will discuss the methodology used in both this to convert the light or the video into the electrical signal, and we will make the comparison. Then we will take a case study. So up till now we have studied many sensors. Now we put all the sensors together, then it can result in the excellent product. So we will take a case study of the autonomous vehicle or the driverless cars, and we will see that how many sensors are used, and it is a very nice example of the sensor fusion. Right? So this is the content of this lecture. Thank you.